Hello everyone, welcome to Wild Tech and Stuff. This is a channel about backcountry equipment. Everything from the latest innovations in technology related to cameras, all the way down to what's in your med kit. Starting a fire, bushcraft, survival, whatever. You name it. If it's outdoor related and it's new and it's exciting, it's going to be here. So if you enjoy in-depth reviews on equipment and gear, this is the channel for you. And you also get to go along on some of my adventures in remote spaces like this along with me and see how the gear holds up and its performance and specs, and maybe even some new and innovative ways to use the equipment, because try to be creative. So if this is your kind of thing, if all that stuff is right up your alley, welcome to Wild Tech and Stuff. This is the channel for you. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Hope you have a great time and enjoy what I put out. Thanks.